What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, it's pretty much for the most part going to be a time lapse of wrapping his car. That's right, we got the wrap in, so we are going to begin wrapping it. Real quick, let me give you guys a quick rundown though on kind of some stuff that's going on and what we need to do before we start wrapping. So before we start wrapping, of course, we are going to have to pull the mirrors off. This trim right here, usually you just kind of just pull it, but yeah, I think it goes under here. So actually, we need to remove the mirrors, and then you just kind of just pull it. Have the windows down. It's a lot easier. Actually, we could probably even, let's see, yeah, just like that, and then there you go. That is out. So windows down and just pull and then slide it out, because it does, as you can see, slide into there. And then we are going to take the mirrors off right now as well. And then I think today's goal is to probably get, I don't know, either both doors done. Actually, I kind of want to just focus on one side. So we'll just see what happens. But moving on to my car, as you can see, something's a bit different. We peeled all the wrap off the roof because we are redoing it. And you can see paint and everything started chipping. That's how the entire car was. If you guys remember, leave a thumbs up of how bad this used to be. At one point, I wrapped the car, peeled it all off, and it did the exact same thing. And that's the reason why we primered and did all of this body work. As you can see right here, look at all that. So this last owner did a really, really poor job. So what I did was I peeled everything off. And I actually took a blade, instead of sanding everything, I took a blade. And you can see all of those marks. Those are all blade marks. I mean, it's smooth, but it's from taking a blade and just, you know, peeling everything. So all we have left are just like the corners. And then this section, a couple things up here. So all of this is going to end up getting sanded. And then probably primered, just because I can see we are starting to get some spots of rust where I did not have a primer. So I'm gonna have to primer it and then let it sit for at least a few days, just so it's fully adhered to it and everything before we begin wrapping. But we're not focusing on that. Today we are focusing on his car. So I'm gonna set you guys up, like I said, on a time lapse, and I don't know what it is we're gonna be getting taken care of today. But we are definitely going to start. So if you guys are new to the channel, please make sure to smash that thumbs up and subscribe down below. We are on our way to 4,000 subscribers. And stay tuned, guys. So much more to come for these two beauties right here. A lot more to come for this. Stay tuned, guys. Some change is going down. Alright, let's get into it. Look who it is. Alright guys, so I have not finished his car yet, but the homie is here. He wants to hang out, he says, but I'm gonna actually give him a sneak peek of how the car is looking right now, and then we'll get some more work done. I think I'm gonna start on the quarter panel tomorrow. You ready?
If you know, you know. If you don't, you broke.
Wait, let's let it open and then you can turn around.
Ah, look, I'm really excited. Hold on, come on. The moment of truth we all been waiting for. I ain't want to look yet.
I hope you're happy with it so far.
Oh, damn. This is how the white's gonna look? Yo, let me see the other side. Yo, I can't even see this side.
We can get it pulled out if you like.
Bro.
We'll just have to move some cars around.
Let me see. Yo, I need them side skirts done. Yo, honestly, I'm pretty tripped out right now.
So, like I said, there's still some touches that has to be done. We got to put some inlays here, because this is in two pieces, here and here on both sides we still have to do. Obviously the quarter panel, but I'm still working that piece a little bit, trying to get it as nice as I can.
You know, now you know. Everything's done proper around here. Yes, sir. I'm out here, dude. I'm the fucking YouTuber now. I took over Lewis's page.
I'm done, guys. That's it.
He quit. He gave up. My turn.
Bye.
All right, so welcome to my G35. It's a wide body kit. It's got some fucking rims, some tires. It's bagged out, bro. I'm gonna bag it, as you can see. I'm working on it, and I don't care. I'm gonna bag it. Nah, I'm just kidding. No.
All right, guys. So I came out here this morning expecting to get the quarter panel wrapped. But this piece down here, which is kind of giving me some issues, I began wet sanding it just to make sure it's all smooth, and it's the primer or something, I don't know, had like a really strange reaction, so I had to resand everything, throw down more primer, so I'm letting that dry. So I think that's going to be the end of this video for wrapping. But stay tuned, because when we pick back up, we're going to be doing the quarter panel, most likely parts of the rear, parts, actually not the front yet because there's something going on up there, but we'll explain a little later. But the quarter panel, parts of the rear, I still have to get the inlays on both fenders right here. And then we are going to be ordering the roof wrap as well. So stay tuned, guys. It's going to be most likely a 2 or 3 part video on his car. So hope you guys enjoyed though. Comment down below. Let us know what you guys think of the half black, half white theme going on. And 3M, your product is absolutely amazing. I highly suggest them, guys. If you guys are looking to wrap your car, to be honest with you, 3M is the way to go. You do not want to cheap out. I've wrapped my car twice in cheap material, and let me tell you, it's a night and day difference when wrapping with 3M to cheap material. So 3M, if you want to go ahead and sponsor me, that'll be dope. But I'm just kidding. So anyways, guys, yeah, comment down below. Let us know what you guys think. Hit that thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for part 2 and possibly a part 3. And subscribe if you guys are not already. We're almost at the end of the year, and I'm trying my absolute hardest to hit 4,000 subscribers. So please, guys, please take a second right now to scroll down, hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free, and help me reach my big goal of 4,000 subscribers. From the beginning of this year, I've been trying to hit that before the end of the year. You guys can see right here, been my big goal. We're trying to hit it, so help your boy out. Anyways, guys, and then stay tuned for this video. We have something going on in the engine bay. So as you can see, we pretty much had the whole front end removed. We had the headlights removed, the front bumper. I did have this fender removed partially the other day. Stay tuned for that, though. That's going to be pretty exciting. Yeah. And also, we do have more parts on the way, and huge things coming to his car. We already know my car is more of like a secret. You guys gotta just stay tuned to see what's going on. But as far as his car goes, let me give you a quick little rundown of what's to come. One, the wrap. We're gonna be finishing that. We have a wrap on the way to match the roof, which we're gonna be doing in carbon. And then, that's right, pulled the plug about almost a week ago on the air suspension. Airlift is coming in. This thing is going to be laid out just like mine. And then also I did sell him my old exhaust right there, so that is going to be going on as well. And also my old seats are going to be going in as well, my red NRG seats. So this thing is going to be looking absolutely wild. And if you guys want to see it, you already know. Smash the subscribe button, and if you want to stay up to date, hit that bell notification. And I hope to catch you all in the next one. Till next time, guys, as always, peace out.